What's up guys, this is a time-lapse instructional on building this bench. It was made from leftover hardwood flooring, Baltic Birch plywood, and POPLAR. Check it out! First thing we're doing, cutting out all the pieces to size and dry fitting them. Don't forget to wipe down with a damp cloth before your final sanding. Pocket hole screws. Hey, there's 1,000 ways to skin a cat, and this is just one of them. Don't forget to check the description below for the free plans that aren't there, but there's other cool stuff that is. Alright, so here we are. We got a little extra from the thin kerf of the pull saw. But that's okay, we'll just hit it up with the sander. Now it's time to put everything together. Alright, well, here's where we're at. It doesn't have a hinge, but it opens nicely. Has a lot of support around. Just taping up the trim here. Got some nice storage in there. Next, we're gonna put the hardwood flooring on the front. Just gotta build the second one that's hiding under here. Here I'm drilling pocket holes that will hold the top piece in place.
Now for the trim. Get out that poplar, get out that leftover hardwood. Let's glue it up.
Poplar is a wood commonly used in indoor furniture. Alright, and here we are, waiting for the glue up now. Got one piece there, one piece there. I think I'll start working on some more trim. Using salt will help to ensure your glue ups don't slide around.
"46 degrees.
The secret to a tight miter joint.
I have to tell you, this method right here wasn't too accurate. I recently bought a track saw.
Track saws ensure your circular saw does not veer from its course. Here I'm pre-drilling for the screws that will hold the front piece on. Now this lip here made it easy to install while it's upside down. I used clamps to hold it in place while I went around and screwed it in, and I used a couple brad nails on the bottom there. Alright, and I'm done.
But first, we're going to measure out these bottom support pieces and tie them into the whole thing.
Wow, where did that guy come from? This whole support piece measures 4.5 inches tall, and I recessed it back from the front and sides 3 inches. Well guys, thanks for hanging out. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I just packed up all my stuff, ready to head out, install this thing.